Welcome to Discover Bali channel. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to one of Bali's hidden gems, Banyumala Waterfall. Nestled in the heart of the lush jungle of North Bali, Banyumala is a spectacular twin waterfall that offers a serene and enchanting escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As we embark on this adventure, you'll witness the breathtaking beauty of this natural wonder. Banyumala Waterfall is renowned for its pristine, cascading waters that flow gracefully into a crystal-clear pool below. Surrounded by verdant greenery and vibrant tropical flowers, the sight is nothing short of magical. The journey to Banyumala Waterfall is an adventure in itself. We'll guide you through the picturesque trek, which includes a scenic hike along well-maintained paths and wooden bridges. Along the way, you'll be immersed in the tranquil sounds of nature, the rustling leaves, and the gentle chirping of birds, making the experience truly immersive and calming. Join me as I arrive early in the morning to this secluded paradise. With no other visitors around, I get to enjoy the serene beauty and tranquility of the waterfall all to myself. Watch as I immerse myself in the crystal-clear waters, capturing the magic of this hidden gem in its purest form. I'll take you through the journey of reaching Banyumala, the untouched natural surroundings, and the invigorating swim in the cool, fresh waters. You'll see firsthand why this waterfall is a must-visit spot in Bali, especially for those who appreciate the unspoiled beauty of nature. As we make our way down the trail, we encounter a series of wooden bridges and steps that guide us through the dense forest. The path can be steep and slippery in some areas, especially after rain, so wearing sturdy shoes is essential. Despite the challenges, the trek is incredibly rewarding, with the sound of the waterfall growing louder as we get closer. During the trek, you'll encounter a variety of plantations you might never have seen before, including coffee, cocoa, clove, banana, durian, jackfruit, coconut, mango, and many other unique trees. You'll also see beautiful flowering trees in full blossom. Join us to explore these exotic landscapes and learn about the fascinating flora that thrives in this beautiful region. I got there super early, around 8 a.m., and guess what? The ticket counter was still closed, and there was no one around, so I got in for free. It took me about 9 minutes to walk from the parking lot to the waterfall. The trek is totally worth it because the beauty of nature you get to see along the way is just incredible. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. If you're planning a trip to Banyumala Waterfall, get ready for a bit of a hike. The trail can be a bit tricky, so just take it slow and soak in the amazing views. Don't forget to bring some water and snacks since there are no shops around. Once we reach the waterfall, you'll see why Banyumala is considered one of Bali's most beautiful and tranquil spots. The twin falls create a soothing ambience, perfect for relaxation and meditation. The pool at the base of the falls invites you for a refreshing dip in its cool, clear waters. Whether you're looking to swim, take stunning photos, or simply sit back and soak in the natural beauty, Banyumala Waterfall has something for everyone. I arrived at 8 a.m. when the place was completely empty, allowing me to have this stunning waterfall all to myself. For an entire hour, I enjoyed the serene beauty and peaceful ambience without any other visitors. Watch as I explore the waterfall, take in the tranquil surroundings, and capture the magic of having such a breathtaking location all to myself. The water source of Banyumala Waterfall is truly special. It originates from natural springs deep within the ground. This means that the water cascading down is incredibly clear and refreshingly fresh, offering a pristine experience like no other. You can discover multiple spots where you can sit back and enjoy the beauty of waterfalls. Bring along your drink and snack to enhance the experience while taking in the serene surroundings. After chilling at Banyumala Waterfall in Bali, you'll leave with some epic memories and a fresh love for this beautiful place. Don't forget to bring a drink and snack to kick back and enjoy the view. Come along on this adventure and let the magic of Bali's waterfalls blow your mind. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this channel for more Bali holiday experiences. Thank you for watching. I'm Gus, your Bali guide, and I'm here to answer all your questions about planning a trip to Bali. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help make your Bali adventure unforgettable. See you in the next video.